The new Lanyu 9.8 meters aluminum boat performance meets craftsmanship, custom built for strength, stability, and style.
Hold them! This is where we fight! This is where they die! And these shields, boys! Remember this day, man, for it will be yours for all time.
Spartans! Lay down your weapons!
Persians! Come and get them! Hold! Give them nothing, but take from them everything!
Full aluminum hull, custom interiors, outboard setup built by Lanyu Shipbuilding Company, quality you can trust. Contact us.